Hey guys, I posted 2 continuous weave tutorials last week. I received a few questions about how to incorporate a weave into your work. Today I will show you one method. I have a few more methods, so stay tuned for those over the next little bit. Tie 3 square knots across the top of your work. Skip the first 2 strands on the left and tie 2 square knots. Create a continuous weave with 4 groups of 2 strands. For a more in-depth tutorial, please see the description for a link. Skip the first 2 strands on the left and tie 2 square knots. Tie 3 square knots across the bottom of your work. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.